रिफ्रेश करो एक बार. Good evening, everyone. A very good evening to all. I welcome you all in this Time and Work Part 2 session. Very good evening, Jaya Raju. How are you? So please do join, and once you join, do not forget to let me know by your comments about your joining, guys. And after joining, guys, the next thing you should be doing is doing the sharing part with your friends, with your colleagues, so that they can also join us. Please do, guys, let me know once you join me. So we are doing the time and work part 2 today. Part 1 we have already finished. We have done some important questions over there. Again, we will do some more important questions in this part 2 as well, as told you in the previous class, as told in the previous class. So let's see what we have covered and what is needed to be covered today. And what is needed to be covered today. So all these questions, guys, I have tackled in the previous class, assuming the LCM. Assuming the LCM, guys, I have tackled it in the previous class. This is I have to take it today. Just remind me, guys, that there is one question which I have to take it today. Just remind me till the last. Just remind me till the last, guys. This is what is still remaining. So we have to begin from here today and that question. Hello, Charlie, Raju, Navinita, Shrivani. Harika, good evening. Puneet, Putin, good evening. Guys, is the board is good looking or not? Is the board is good looking? If a certain number of men can do a work in 30 days, if there are 5 more men, it could be completed in 10 less days. Let initially the number of men are M. Let initially the number of men are M, and they can complete the job in 30 days. So this is my work, M into 30. Let initially the number of men are M and they complete a job in 30 days. So the work is M into 30. If there are 5 more men, means now the new number of men are M plus 5. They will take 10 less days. So 10 less than 30 is 20. So they can complete the same work in 20 days. They can complete the same work in 20 days. Simplify. 3m is equal to 2m plus 10. So m is 10. So initially the number of men were 10. Initially the number of men was 10. How many men were there initially? 10 men were there initially. Well done, Harika, Navanita, Puneet, Charlie, and everyone else. Let's move on to the second question of the day. Efficiency. Efficiency. A is 50% more efficient than B. C is 40% less efficient than B. Okay. So first thing you will say to yourself, Sir, both are compared with B. Both are compared with B. So assume the B first. Both are compared from B. So assume the B first. I'm assuming B as 100. Efficiency of B as 100. Efficiency. A is 50% more. So 50% more than 100 is 150. And C is 40% less than B. And 40% less than 100 is 40 less. So C is 60. From here, we can write down the simplified possible ratio of efficiencies of A, B, and C. From here, we can write down the simplified possible ratio of the efficiency of A, B, and C. It is coming 15 ratio 10 ratio 6. Yesterday, I told you guys, what is efficiency? Efficiency is 1 day work. That is work done in 1 day. Work done in 1 day. Work done in 1 day. Okay? So efficiency means this is the work done in 1 day. This is the work done in 1 day. So together A plus B plus C will do, together A plus B plus C will do 31 job per day. Together A plus B plus C will do 31 job per day. Yeah. And they can finish the job in 10 days. So 31 job per day, finishing the job in 10 days. Can I say my work is 310? Even the very, very beginner can learn. Even the beginner of the beginner can learn. Efficiencies. Efficiency means work done per day. So A plus B plus C will do 31 job per day and they are finishing the work in 10 days. So work is 31 into 10, 310. You want the 150% of this work. 150% of the work. 150% is 3 by 2. Just divide it by 100, it will become 3 by 2. 3 by 2 of work. And this is needed to be done by A. This is needed to be done by A. What is the efficiency of A, bacha? What is the efficiency of A? 15. So just divide by 15. 3 5 ja. 31 by 10. It will take 31 days. See out. Any doubts? Do let me know. Even the beginner of beginner can learn this. Any doubts, guys, at any point of time, please do let me know. Any doubt at any point of time, please do let me know. Well done, Jaya Raju. Bhargavi is there? Yeah, Bhargavi is there. Clear? Can I move on? Freshers, you are very comfortable. First I found out the efficiency, then I found out their total efficiency. Then I find out their total efficiency, 31. 31 efficiency, completing the work in 10 days. Work is 310. I want to do 150% of this work. 150% is 3 by 2 because 150% is divided by 100. So it's 3 by 2. So I need to do 3 by 2 work by the efficiency of A. It will take 31 days. All freshers clear. Next. Exactly of the same type. ABC together can finish a work in 25 days? So work can be done by ABC together in 25 days. This is what? These are the efficiencies of A, B and C. These are what? The efficiencies of A, B and C. Luckily they are given to us. A is 4, B is 3, C is 2. 7 plus 2, 9 into 25 is your work. I will advise to don't multiply this. Listen my words. What I am saying, don't multiply until necessary. Don't multiply until necessary. Okay? Now, you have to do 35% of this work. So 35% is 35 by 100, 7 by 20. 7 by 20 of the work. 7 by 20 of the work. 9 into 25. Don't simplify unless necessary. I'm again repeating the point. Don't simplify till required. Don't simplify till required. Okay? So, delay guys. Delay till the last. Delay till the last. And you want this work to be done by A plus C together. You want this work to be done by A plus C together. This is 5. This is 4. You can simplify but not multiply. You can simplify but should not multiply. 63 into 5 divide by 4. What is A plus C? What is A plus C, bacha? A plus C is 6. What is the efficiency of A plus C? 6. It's over. It's over. 3 is simplifying 21 times. 3 is simplifying 2 times. So it's 105 by 8. It's 105 by 8 is the answer. Correct? Hello, Monali. Good evening. Charlie, 17th. Oh, you are easily got through it. Wow. DP, Delhi Police. Okay. Clear? Clear, guys? Absolutely clear. So these kind of questions can also be framed, which is based on efficiencies. Yeah. Guys, why are you going to increase the competition over there? You are going to score full out of full in maths, huh? Why are you sitting over there, guys? You are going to increase the competition, huh? Great. You are at stake, yeah, Mr. Putin. ABC together can complete a work in 30 days. ABC together can complete a work in 30 days. Just a minute. So, work is which can be done by ABC together in 30 days. What is the combined efficiency of A plus B plus C? Combined efficiency of A plus B plus C is 11 plus 5, 16. 16. 16 into 30 is the total work. 480 is the total work. 480 is the total work. A and B worked for 20 days. So how much work they will finish? A and B worked for 20 days. How much work they will finish? A plus B is 8. So 8 into 20, 160 work they will finish. How much is remaining? Out of 480, 160 is done. So 320 is remaining. 320 is remaining. Who will do this job? This is needed to be done by C alone. This work is needed to be done by C alone. Okay. What is the efficiency of C? The efficiency of C is 8. So divide by the efficiency of 8. It will take 40 days. It will take 40 days to complete the work. Perfect. Perfect. So again, like the previous one, there are one more solver with you. So I think you are warmed up now. So if I increase the label little bit, it will work with you. You all are warmed up. So if I increase the variety, the things will get worth with you. Well done, Monali Jadhav. Thank you very much. Great. Okay. Guys, there is a MDH formula. There is a MDH formula that work is proportional to the product of number of men working for how many days, working how many hours per day. Work is proportional to product of man days hour. So you will say, sir, W1 can be M1 D1 H1. Let's suppose it is constant of proportionality K. Let's suppose there is another work W2 in which different peoples are involved, M2 D2 H2. Again the constant of proportionality K. Just divide them. So W1 upon W2, the ratio of their work is proportional to the product of M1 D1 H1 and M2 D2 H2. The ratio of their work is proportional to M1 D1 H1 upon M2 D2 H2. If I take W1 inside it as well, I can take W1 here as well. So W1 is coming over here. And I can take this over here. So I can rewrite this form in this as well. M2 D2 H2 upon W2. So you understand this rewriting? You understood this rewriting? Like from here we can write down in this manner as well. From here we can write down in this manner as well, where the work is coming in the denominator, and the product of MDH will come in the numerator. So work comes in the denominator and man, days, hours, numbers comes in the numerator. Over this, guys, I will elevate a level a lot. For that you have to wait. Let's move on. There is a great use of or and and over here. There is a great use of or and and over here. Yeah, you have to understand its usage. Or means either he or she. Either he or either the first person or the second person. Either the first group or the second group. Either the first group or the second group. Either or. Either or. So, first thing is we can predict from here that 10 men are equal to 20 women because they take same days in making same number of cakes. 10 men is equal to 20 women because they take same days in making same number of cakes. So one relation is coming out from here that man over woman efficiency is in the ratio 2:1. Now, either or. So 10 men can make 240 cake in 25 days. 10 men can make 240 cakes in 25 days. So you will say, sir, 10 men in 25 days can make 25 to 40 cakes. Works comes in the denominator. Work comes in the denominator. How many cakes can be made by 8 men and 4 women? Now they are together, bacha. Now they are together. Now it is not the condition of either or. It is about working together. It is about working together. So you will say, if this work is done by 8 men and 4 women together, in 35 days, they can make how many cakes? Is it perfectly okay with you? Is it perfectly okay with you now? Simplify. Simplify. 5 5 ja, 5 7 ja. You can put the efficiencies of man and woman as well. Man is 2. Man is 2. Woman is 1. So 20 into 5 divide by 240 is equal to 16 plus 4 20 into 7 divide by question mark. 5 is simplifying. So question mark is 48 into 7. Please do see it. Identify the basic differences, identify the basic concepts. If there are any issues, I am still present over this question. I am still present over these questions, guys. If there are any issues, please do let me know. Charlie, Shrivani, Harika, Navanita, Putin, Jaya, all of them. So only the probable error zone was this line, the first line, or. Either take 10 men or take 20 women, because both of them are equal to each other. And they individually can finish the work in 25 days. It is not about their group is required. 10 men can also make 240 cakes in 25 days. And 20 women can also make 240 cakes in 25 days. Or means 10 men can also do this job in 25 days, or 20 women can also do this job in 25 days. So that is why we have taken only 10 men. We can take 20 women as well. We can take 20 women as well, and this information is about finding out their respective efficiencies. So we will put out their efficiency and find out the answer. Is it clear now? Is it clear now? Great. Quickly share and like the session as well, guys. I think it's already 25 minutes are over. First do the sharing, and later on, if you like the session, then you can do the liking as well. Later on, if you like the session, you can do the liking as well. Should I distribute the mark for it? Chalo. Now hoping that options would be correct. I have not seen it before. Huh? होगा, सही होगा. There are a lot of new questions, guys, which is being added by me in today's session. There are a lot of new questions, guys, which I've added. Work is efficiency into time. If work is same, then efficiency is inversely proportional to time. I think this much hint is sufficient. If work is same, then efficiency is inversely proportional to time. Option not matching or what? That can also happen. Yeah, it can happen. But you need to be sure about it if this is happening. In that case, say loud, clear, sir, my answer is coming this. I will see up that confidence and give the marks if that happens. B take 3 times that as long as A plus C. Okay. B, A plus C, time is thrice. So if time is 3:1, efficiency is inverse 1:3. Charlie can get the point. If time is thrice, then efficiency inverse ratio. Once you write down the efficiency ratio, eliminate this time ratio. It is not going to be useful for us now. It is not going to be useful for us now. Only the efficiency ratio is going to play the role. Okay, C takes twice as time as A plus B, 2:1. So efficiency 1:2. Rough the line. Now I might take the step of the day. After this, guys, I might take the step of the day. Adding these three, the efficiency of A plus B plus C is becoming 4. And adding these three, the efficiency of A plus B plus C is becoming 3. Means ratios are not balanced. I need to balance them. Two different equations are giving two different values of A plus B plus C, which is not balanced. So I need to balance them. Agree or not? This is giving some different value of A plus B plus C, 4. And this is giving some different value of A plus B plus C, 3. I need to balance it. Multiply by 4 over, multiply by 3 over. They will get automatically balanced. They will get automatically balanced. Let's see. So B over A plus C, balance value are 4/12. And C over A plus B, balance value are 3/6. What? Acha, just a minute. I have done the inverse multiplication. Because it is 4 over here, it is 3 over here. So multiply by 3 over and multiply by 4 over here. Yeah? Multiply by the inverse. Multiply by the inverse. To make their values same. To make their values same. So B will become 3, A plus C will become 9. And it will become 4, it will become 8. You can cross check as well. Now you can cross check as well. From here the total of A plus B plus C is 12. From here the total of A plus B plus C is also 12. From here the total of A plus B plus C is 12 and from here it is also 12. 3 men working together can complete the work in 10 days. So A plus B plus C can do the work in 10 days. What is their combined efficiency? 12. In 10 days, work is 120. Work is 120, my dear friends. How long the B will take to complete the same work alone? How long the B will take to complete the same work alone? So 120 work by B alone. 120 work by B alone. 120 by the efficiency of B. Efficiency of B is directly visible as 3 over here. Efficiency of B is directly visible over here as 3 as well. 40 days. Very well question. Any doubts, guys? I am just hanging on. Who has got the marks? Who has got the marks? I think Charlie. Charlie. Okay, what are your doubts? Please quickly ask. Okay, what are your doubts? Please quickly ask. This equation is saying that A plus B plus C efficiency is 3 plus 1, 4. And this equation is saying that A plus B plus C efficiency is 3. It is saying total is 4. It is saying total is 3. But obviously from both equations, efficiency should be same. Efficiency of A plus B plus C should be same. Efficiency of A plus B plus C should be same. From we are seeing the same thing from both the equation. So just to make A plus B plus same in both the equation, I multiplied by 3 over here, I multiplied by 4 over here to make it 12 at every place. So B comes out to be 3, A plus C comes out to be 9, C comes out to be 4, A plus B comes out to be 8. Now all the 3 can do the work in 10 days. So all the 3 can do the work in 10 days. All the 3 efficiency is 12 from here as well, 12 from here as well. So 12 efficiency, 10 days, 120 work. Now you want this work to be done by B. Now B efficiency is directly known to you. Divide by 340. However, if I would be the examiner, I would be asking you how many times A can do this work. If I would be the examiner, I would not be asking how much time C will take or B will take. I will ask how much time A will take. Yes, got it. How much time A will take? 24. Okay. Obviously, B is 3 and C is 4. So if C is 4 and A plus C is 9, this means A is 5. This means A is 5. Your concept is exactly, now these equations are balanced. You can cross check your concept as well. B is 3, A plus B is 8, so A is again 5. Because we have done the balancing. We have done the balancing. So now they will always be satisfying each other. So A efficiency is 5, 120 by 5, 24 days. That would be the question, guys, which I will be asking. Is it clear to all? Is it clear to all? Come on, everyone have to give the consent. Everyone have to give the consent, okay? You can watch it later on. You can watch it later on, guys, in the recordings as well. You can watch it later on in the recordings as well. This session is with you for a longer period of time. Next. New questions. But we have done this kind of questions before as well. But we have done these kind of questions before as well. Now Harika is feeling the heat because now Charlie has made a lead of 2. Harika would be saying, sir, whenever you give the question, in that question only, I take more time. In others, I do the fastest. But that is how, guys, I am teaching you the pressure handling. That is how I am teaching you the pressure handling. Billy is 4 times as good as Silly. So efficiency of Billy and Silly is in the ratio 4:1. So efficiency of Billy and Silly is going to be in the ratio 4:1. So to do a job, to do the same job, in doing the same job, they will take the time in the inverse ratio 1:4. So in doing any job, they will take the time in the inverse ratio 1:4. Okay. Billy will take 45 days less than the Silly. Billy will take 45 days less than the Silly. According to ratio, Billy is taking 3 less, which is given as 45 less. So 1 is equal to 15. From time, we can only find out the time, bacha. From time, we can only find out the time. So if 1 is 15, I can say that Billy is doing, since this is also 1, if 1 is 15, then I can say Billy is doing this job in 15 days. Perfect? Perfect. From time, we can only put its value. From time, we can only put its value in the time only. We cannot put the value, find it out from over here, time, and put it in the efficiency. No, we can't do it. So now let's Billy closely. Billy has an efficiency of 4. Billy has an efficiency of 4 and he can do a job in 15 days. Billy has an efficiency of 4 and he can do a job in 15 days. So can I say my work is efficiency of Billy 4 into number of days taken by him 60. Billy into days. Now, so this 60 work, I want to be done by, now this 60 work, 60 or something else. Let me see once. Navanita was correct. How many times will they take to build the 2 such balls? So work is double, bacha. Work is double. Work is double. So basically, for you the work is 120. Needed to be done by together, A plus B. Sorry, Billy plus Silly. Needed to be done by Billy plus Silly. And Billy plus Silly efficiency together is 5. What a great question. If I would have given the marks for it, who would have got the marks? Okay. Great. Very good. Very good. Double the work. 120 work. 120 work by Billy and Silly together. Harika would have got. Well done, Harika. Bad luck. No issues. Great. Very good. So, suddenly I've increased the session quality questions. As you can see. So, before showing you that question, let me tell you about this. That we Exampur family are working really hard these days, guys, to make the best content available. And in this direction, the first step we have taken is designing a very well-made app. Where we are providing the free quizzes with free job alerts and the previous year PDF with the solutions, practice questions, current affairs daily, weekly, monthly. Study material, lot of free study material with free courses and test series. In the paid courses segment, the SSC CGL batch is running, but that is in the bilingual. For the complete English medium students, guys, this YouTube is the batch only. Okay. So it is going to be much more than a batch. Free. One mark for patience and 1 mark for observation. I know the question is not tough, but I want to check your question reading habits. But that is a big hint. You are no less. I still remember you giving one of the trickiest question solution. And Navanita is also like very, very, very good problem solver. Guys, I will come once again. Do you know? Just to make this channel, guys, I think you guys are not supporting a lot. Please start supporting, guys. We are conducting a lot of sessions over this channel. Yeah. So this is our kind of a dream project now. I'm coming once more with a mixed bag of questions. After 7, maybe at 7. Charlie, have you reached 7 or what? 2 coal machines. Number comes in the numerator. Number comes in the numerator. Working 12 hours per day. Hours comes in the numerator. For 8 days, days comes in the numerator. 9 ton of coal. 9 ton of coal is work, yeah? So 9 will come in the denominator. 9 will come in the denominator. Efficiency. Where should the efficiency come? Bacha, efficiency should also come in the numerator. Because efficiency like 10 men. So 10 men. So 10 men comes in the numerator. No? So man is what? Man is the efficiency. So efficiency should also come in the numerator. So with the efficiency of 90%. So efficiency should also come in the numerator. While 3 coal landing machines, efficiency of 80%, 12 ton of coal is the work, 12 is the work, work comes in the denominator. In 6 days, how many days per hour required? How many hours per day required? How many hours per day required? फटाफट cancel करो. 10%, 10%, 9, 9, 6 2 ja 12, 2 4 ja 8, 12, 12, 12. So 16 is hours per day. Please do watch out. So efficiency will come in the numerator, as whenever we take 10 men, 20 women, where does the efficiency comes? Efficiency comes in the numerator only. Efficiency comes in the numerator only. So you can update your formula as M1 D1 H1 upon W1 is equal to M2 D2 H2 upon W2. If there is some job of efficiency as well, then efficiency will come in the numerator. If at any point of time the word of efficiency will come, then it will come in the numerator. Guys, where the wages will come? Wages. Wages. Wages is how much money you are getting for the work. So that would be coming in the denominator. Wages. I will take up the questions over them later on. If work is coming in the denominator, wages will also come in the denominator. Okay. Great. No issues. So what a sound competition over here. What a great competition, bacha. Chalo, this is the homework question for you. However, we can do it. Chalo, do it now only. Do it now only, guys. The last question of the day. The last question of the day. I can give the marks for it. It also deserves some marks. Let's give it a mark as well. But I want anyone, Charlie, give others also a chance. However, you have all the right to compete. I'm not stopping you, Charlie. Don't use the calculators. You are taking more time here. Shrivani is posing a tight competition. I know the answer. I will directly give the marks. You are my students. Oh, Mr. Putin. Wow. Mr. Putin, wow. You're correct. So Mr. Putin is at 2 or 3. Charlie, I hope you have not intentionally left your mark. I hope. So initially 104 men working. Initially 104 men working. 8 hours a day. 8 hours a day for 30 days. Complete 2 by 5 of the work. Complete 2 by 5 of the work. Initially 104 men working 8 hours a day for 30 days, complete 2 by 5 of the work. How much work is still remaining? 3 by 5 of the work is remaining. First error happens over here. The first error happens over here. The first error happens over here. Shrivani has left the marks on a casual note. Otherwise, he would have definitely got it. Okay. Let's suppose the number of mens required are X. How much additional? So let's suppose the additional men required are X. So total would be 104 plus X. She has just left the marks casually. Again, 8 hours a day. 8 hours a day if nothing is being said. Work is yet, still you want the work to be finished in 56 days. You want the work to be finished in 56 days. 30 days are consumed in the first portion of the job. 36 days are consumed in the first portion of the job. So how much days are remaining for the second portion of the job? If 36 are consumed in 2 by 5, you have only 26 days for the last 3 by 5. Second error happens over here. 1 point, 2 point. One error happens over here. One error happens over here. Gone. Gone. 8, 8 gone. This is 15 times. This is 4 times. So 60 upon 104 plus X over 3. 180 is equal to 104 plus X. So additional man required are 76. Great. Yeah, Srivani, that is what I told you, that you left the marks pretty easily. Otherwise, you would have got it. You have given 180 quite well before. You have given 180 quite well before. Perfect. Perfect, bacha. Please make the great notes of all these questions. Please make the great notes of all these questions. One important point, two important point, and the last important point. Last important point. Okay, so this is how, guys, what is today's session. I will be meeting you once again. I will be meeting you once again today only. Take care of yourself. If you like the session, please do not forget to like it before going. Please do not forget to like it before going. Yeah, press the like button. Take care of yourself. Have a great time. See you.